Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. All right, so we've got this question of which we are expected to integrate. The first thing that we must put into consideration is the properties of integration. There are two properties of integration that we must consider. So let me show you the properties that we must consider. All right, so these are the two properties, this one and this one, we're supposed to use when it comes to integrating a question like this one. Okay, so when we talk about partial fraction, we are simply talking about what we have, this fraction. And what does the property of partial fraction say when it comes to integration? It says that when you've got a power here, the biggest power or the highest power, in this case, it's the power 2, and you check on the denominator, the highest power, if it's equal or the power right here, it's greater than the highest power on the denominator, you use what we call long division. Okay, so that's what it says. In this case, we have got the highest power on the denominator equal to the highest power on the numerator. So we need to use the partial fraction. Okay. The next thing is arctangent. Arc, there must be a C here. Arctangent. So this is arctangent. So for arctangent, when you've got an example, let me just give an example. When you've got, or you've been asked to integrate something like this. So look very careful. They want us to integrate. This is where we apply arctangent. When you see a power 2 plus and this a constant here, we use arctangent. So for arctangent, we change things a little bit. So this is how we write. Of course, we know that 4 is the same as 2 to the power 2. Once you write it in this form, you can now apply arctangent. So it will be arc. Okay, you start with 1 over a 2 arc tan x over a 2. And then you say plus c. So this is the solution. So now how do you get to know which one to put where? This base here, put it right here and over here. The x, you just put it here. On top, always put a 1. That's how you apply the arctangent. So now let's try to apply these two properties on the question that we have and see what we can get. All right, so here we first apply long division. So we shall have something like this, x power 2 plus a 4. The denominator, you write it here, and then you come to the numerator, you write it inside. So we're going to say x power 2 into x power 2. That will definitely give us a 1. Okay, 1 times x power 2, it's a x power 2. 1 times 4, it's a 4. Okay, so now from this stage, we do our line like this. Okay, and then we subtract. When we subtract, even here it will be minus. So x power 2 minus x power 2, that will give us a 0. 0 minus 4, it will give us a minus 4. So we have a remainder here. So we have a remainder 4. This is a remainder. Okay. So now what we're going to do next will be to start with this. So we shall say integral of 1, so that will just be dx, minus integral over 4 over x power 2 plus a 4 dx. Okay, hopefully you've seen what has happened. So what you normally do here, just get this, whatever answer that is on top, you integrate it. This is what we've done. There is a 1 here, 1 dx is the same as a dx. So the integral of 1 dx is the same as the integral of dx. So when you write this here, you come now to the remainder, this remainder. So the negative is right here and the 4 is there over the denominator. You see, this denominator. Okay, so that's what we do. So that's partial fraction. We have applied the idea of partial fraction, long division. So let me just copy it. Integral of dx minus integral of 4 over x power 2 plus a 4 dx. So this is what we are integrating. Remember, property number 1 has worked. So here we can now say the integral of this is just x minus, we know integral of 1 is x, since we are respecting x here, minus 4 integral of 1 over x power 2 plus 2 power 2 dx. So if you can see here, we can apply arctangent. We've just factored out the 4 outside. When integrating, a constant can come outside the integral sign, and this is what we've done. So now from here, we say x, we have already integrated this. We write a 4, open bracket, 1 over a 2. Remember arctangent property, arc tan, okay, x over a 2, you can say plus c. So if you want, you can leave your answer like this. To simplify it further, you say x minus a 2 arc tan x over 2 plus c is our final answer. You just multiply this by the constant that is in front here. So 2 and 2, the 2 here will cancel. Into negative 4, it will be equal to negative 2. And this is what we have. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Isichamba Jacob. Remember to subscribe if you have not yet done so. Like the video and comment. Bye-bye.